Today, the most long-awaited event of the season is taking place in Doll City.
Who wants hot dogs or hamburgers, maybe? Come up here one by one.
Every year, Sam's Barbecue brings friends and family together.
Hey, you can't play near the cook. It's an open fire we're talking about.
Uh-oh, someone shouldn't have left the grill unattended. Let's make something interesting out of the head of an old broken doll. A few light moves and the old makeup is gone. But now we need a rich yellow color. Amazing! From a piece of yellow felt, we will make some sort of a hat. And a piece of fluffy wool will help to form a stylish hairdo. It looks like the only thing we've left to do is draw a face. And the baby fire will be ready for an adventure. Isn't she cute?
It's my favorite chef's cap. Oh no, it's all on fire!
A cute baby with an explosive character boldly explores the new territory. Try not to burn everything here, little one.
Not on my watch! Fellas, I need water! Stat! Ah!
The guests are soaked to the skin. Yeah, a barbecue like this will definitely stay in their memories for years.
Stop! Don't go away! The holiday can still be saved! We can just wipe it all out. You see? Easy. Here are the napkins.
But what is this? A baby water has just appeared from a water puddle. To make this character, we need wax. And a small fire-breathing dragon. To melt it, you know. Just put the doll that cries for a makeover into hot wax and let it harden. And now we can paint it. We'll draw a pretty face, and Baby Water is ready to get acquainted with the inhabitants of the doll city. Just look! Baby Fire and Baby Water have already found friends. How cute!
But children should not live alone. They need supervision. Who's ready to take them on?
Young mothers obviously do not have enough experience.
We clearly need a copter mom here. Could you take on the kids, please? Oh, come on!
I guess that didn't work.
I don't see any volunteers. Maybe you can do that, group. Will you adopt Fire and Water? Yeah, didn't think so. So are the poor kids really going to be left alone? Oh, so unfair.
I wouldn't jump to conclusions.
What are you talking about?
It looks like the babies have already chosen their mommy. What a bliss! There is now a whole new family in Doll City. Home, sweet home. Fire and Water are two little fidgets, just like all the kids. How on earth can the mom calm down the raging elements? Oh no, don't cry, or you will put out your fire, sister. And the umbrella is gone. What is gonna them stay put?
Who ordered a large pepperoni? Oh, the pizza's on fire! I didn't think it was so dangerous to work as a pizza delivery guy. I have gotta lie down.
Looks like Mommy has a lot of work to do to teach her kids to behave. It would be nice for them to have some kind of amulets. We'll place the symbols of the elements into the base and cover them with transparent gel polish and let it harden in a UV lamp. Time flies really fast here.
Yes, the elemental sisters are no longer kids anymore. Ta-ta!
And that means only one thing. We have a major transformation ahead of us. Wow, just look at those cute freckles. Enclosed, the Fire Girl prefers red colors. And a lot of delicate, shiny organza. A few clicks of scissors, a couple of chiffon ribbons, and the skirt is ready. Let's add flames to the Fire's dress. She's got the shoes according to the latest fashion. First, elegant mesh knee-highs, followed by super cool high platform heels. A stylish hairdo completes the image of a fiery beauty. Let's only add sparkling accessories. And this cute redhead is ready for a walk around the city.
Oh no! Help! Anyone!
Looks like someone is in trouble.
Oh, sweet thing! Help me save my cats! Let's go! Please, hurry! I wanted to bathe them, but apparently they weren't pleased with the cold water. They just run away! I thought he might even be on the roof! How can I get him back?
Fire didn't really want to follow the cats, but she had an idea. As soon as she put her hands into the pool, the water almost started to boil. get so dirty? First of all, let's wash you well. That's better. Even your eyes are sparkling now. A stylish silver swimsuit can be successfully complemented by a puffy aquamarine skirt. This look is so tender, and the length is just what we need. There can't be too many beautiful beads, as well as too many stylish accessories. A few more items. And the beautiful water is ready to conquer hearts. Wow! According to the news, a mermaid washed ashore.
I just need water. I'm drying out here. Water, please.
And it's good that she just happened to be nearby.
Water, hurry. Ah! Thank you for your help. I'll take it from here.
Hooray! Another problem of the doll city was solved by water and fire. And to celebrate their small victory, the sisters went to the beach. Whew, what a heat! Are we sure this is a beach and not Mars? But the fire girl is very comfortable with the temperature.
Ladies, do you happen to have an umbrella or a canopy or something?
Oh no, the water sister will completely melt off like that. We simply have to do something. Let's attach a plastic stand to the base. Next, we'll take a sheet of foam paper and place a plate on top. Cut out the circle. Combine it with a simple umbrella frame made of plastic straws. And put everything together. A tiny little bit of decorations. And we can enjoy shade on a hot day. Now we're talking. Everybody can now relax on the beach. Today our girls turned 16, yay! They are decorating the place for a party in the blue colors. No, in the red colors.
Although, no, of course, it's blue. Or maybe it's still red. Or anyway. Stop this madness!
Girls, no need to argue. It's a celebration for both of you. See for yourselves. Even the treats on the table are in 2 colors. Snacks, drinks, and where's the most important thing? Did we forget about the birthday cake? Don't panic. A 3-tiered biscuit is on its way. And it will be in the style of the 2 elements at once. We will paint this half like a bright flame. The second one is going to be like a blue sea. Let's add glitter. And beautiful decor, waves for water. And a few fiery phoenix feathers for her sister. Glaze the cake with clear nail polish and voila!
Shiver me, Cheddars. Such beauty will surely please all the guests.
Sam, are you sure you delivered all the invitations to the party? No one RSVP'd yet?
What? Of course I delivered everything. I'm the most reliable postman. Susie, help me out.
We'll fold an envelope from colored paper. Decorate it with the most brilliant gemstones. And place an invitation to a party inside. We have envelopes of 2 designs, but we're happy to share the guests.
Everyone, invitations are delivered, confirmations are received, the party is starting, and right now,
The birthday party of 2 elements is in full swing. Here are all the residents of the doll city. Even the mayor has come.
We readily announce Fire Girl and Water Girl as prominent members of our community.
Proud Mommy can barely hold the tears of joy.
Give us a thumbs up if you like our doll stories, and don't forget to subscribe.